night is gathering fast, loud roars the wild in constant blast. Yon murky cloud is foul with rain, I see it driving o'er the plain. The hunter now has left the moor, the scattered coveys meet secure, while here I wander pressed with care along the lonely banks of air. The autumn mourns her ripening corn, by early winter's ravage torn. Across her placid azure sky she sees the scowling tempest fly. The whistling storm affrightens me, I think upon the raging sea, where many a danger I must dare, far from the bonny banks of Ayr. 'Tis not the surging billows' roar, 'tis not that fatal deadly shore, though death in every shape appear, the wretched have no more to fear. But round my heart the ties are bound, that heart transpierced with many a wound. Those bleed afresh, these ties I tear, to leave the bonny banks of Ayr. Farewell, old Coilus hills and dales, her heathy moors and winding vales, the scenes where wretched fancy roves,